A momentous day. Final sign off on the kitchen project. Let's do a little walking tour. Got the exterior of the house. We've done all this work over the last couple years. Second story porch rebuilt, patio put in, new garage door, new gutters, new roof, blah blah blah. Anyway, coming in through the main entry door that we generally use. Step into a mudroom. First thing you notice is the new laundry room. Freezer, storage, shelving, and most importantly, doggy door. Been waiting years for this. Willie's going to go ahead and show you how it works. Ta-da! Stepping into the kitchen, where obviously the majority of the work was done. Floor to ceiling cabinetry. That is the dishwasher with a panel in front. Beautiful bay window. Oh, hold on. Say hi to Moxie. And while we're doing introductions, there's Smurf. Joey just likes to run laps at times. Continuing the tour. This was a load-bearing wall. Had that taken out, had a beam put in, leading into the dining room. More cabinetry. Give you a different perspective with the island. Here, this is the cool gadget. You ready for this? It's called a microwave drawer. Never heard of one. But you load the food from the top. Pretty darn cool as far as I'm concerned. Soapstone has turned out absolutely beautiful. Mrs. Igg is in the process of oiling it. We're still in the process of moving back into our kitchen, so that's why there's not much out right now. But overall, everything turned out exactly as we had hoped. Pendant lighting, matching chandelier in the dining room. Lighting within the glass door cabinets. Gonna have to get some glass shelves. Otherwise, the only thing that lights up is the top. More storage. This, we had a window put in, but it's the size of a door. Eventually we'll have the deck extended and turn that into a door that will lead out to the deck, rather than only through the den. So once again, just one more quick panoramic view. And say goodbye to Willie.